Is one of the reasons you got your UV printer to do bulk orders for either local small businesses, large businesses, or even just to stock your boutique, then today's video is perfect for you. I'm going to be taking this simple wooden keychain from something super blank to a beautiful printed keychain in under 3 minutes. It also uses less than half a penny of ink. So if that's something that you've been looking for, be sure to stay tuned through the whole video, because towards the end, I'm going to give you the advice that I wish I would have received when I first started my business, and also what I plan to do myself when I make some of these and go pitch them to local businesses sometime over the next couple weeks here. My name is Patrick, this is Created Workshop, and throughout the entire month of August, I'm doing a new video every day focusing on a project or a piece of hardware that I have in my shop. Today's video just so happens to be on this keychain, which is just made for bulk orders. So with all that out of the way, let's dive into making this keychain. Okay, so we're going to start by putting the keychain fairly center on the bed, just because it's easiest. And there it is. There's definitely plenty of jigs and stuff like that that you could either make yourself or download, but I'm just going to use the sticky bed. And so I just hit scan here in xTool Studio. So we're going to let it run its scan. It should just take a second and bring the graphic in. Now the graphics that we're going to use is one that I already prepped. And this graphic I made with ChatGPT codecs. And I had to do quite a bit of post-processing to it. The way that it made the graphic, there was a lot of white space, and I'll kind of show you what I had to do with it. So if we go to cutout, here you can see when you hit the outside, there's still a lot of little white spots in here. So I had to zoom in and click each one, and I didn't want to bore you with doing all that. So I already prepped the graphic, and here it is. So going to now rotate it and fit it. So this graphic actually fits perfectly on this keychain. We're just going to do rigid white, one layer of white, one layer of color, normal. I'm not going to do this as raised or anything. You could put a company logo or a bunch of stuff on here. Just doing this as a cute little keychain that might go on my wife's key ring or something like that. These keychains are super cheap, and this will also show some fine detail. But I'm not doing anything special here. I just dragged it over, and now I'm ready to process. So we'll let it process the image. It should take not a ton of time since it's a fairly small image. This print will take 2 minutes, 40 seconds. If you had a bunch of them stacked up, it would take even less time each, and it will cost less than 1/2 of a penny worth of ink. So I'm going to go ahead and hit print, and I'll catch you guys in 2.5 minutes. Okay, so you saw that this keychain took around 2.5 minutes to print, which is already pretty quick. But what if I told you you could print 7 of these in under 6 minutes? That's the power of batching, and that's just using the small bed here. If you were to use the big bed, you could fit dozens on a single print job, because you can fit 7 wide, and the big print bed is pretty big. You can fit quite a few on there. And so at that point, you're talking they take less than a minute a piece to do and less than half a penny of ink to do. So how would I position these if I was going to be pitching them to a business? Well, first off, if I was going to retail this single-sided keychain in my business, it would be retailed for about $8. A personalized one would probably be somewhere between $10 to $12. My material cost, around 40 to 80 cents for a keychain like this. I'll have multiple links down below where to buy them. And again, half a penny at ink and a minute of machine time. Now, if I was going to go sell these to a small business, here's what I would do. I would have a minimum order quantity of 25 of these keychains. Somewhere between 25 to 50 of them, I would charge them $4 a keychain, and I would tell them they could retail them for $8. That gives them a 50% markup, and it gives you a huge profit margin. Now, the more they order, the cheaper they get. I would probably start by going up in quantities of 50 and going from 50 to 100 of them, probably drop it to $3.50 or $3.75 a piece, and from 100 to 150, maybe get closer to $3.25, maybe $3.50 a piece, depending on what you did before, all the way down to maybe 250 plus at $2.25 a piece. You say, Patrick, $2.25 a piece for a keychain? That's not a lot of profit margin. And here's the thing, that is pretty cheap for a keychain. But if you do the math, it actually works out to $562.50 for a bulk order of 250 keychains, where your material cost for the keychains on the high end and ink is about $201.25. That leaves you with a net profit after you cover the material cost and the ink cost of your keychains with about $90 an hour. Now, of course, you have other expenses and things like that that need to come out, but it's still a ultra high profit margin item that you can easily batch out. And make sure to tailor the pricing for you. Don't just go price it at $2.25 because I mentioned that on this video. Make sure the pricing works out for you and the different fees and different things that you need to cover, like rent and utilities and stuff like that. But I just want to show you how easy these are to batch out in such a high quantity and how it still makes sense even at a low per item cost. So that is the power of finding a small but mighty and batchable product like these keychains. So if you've been looking for something like that, definitely give these a try. You can pick up a pack of 50 of them on Amazon for $20. You can go to a small business that I know and love, and actually it's where this specific keychain is from, Lancaster Laser Supply. I will have a link to them down below, and they're about 80 cents a piece for these, and you're supporting another small business in the laser community. And Lancaster Laser Supply also has jigs for these. They don't yet have jigs for the O1 Omni. I'm hoping that they'll have those soon, but they do have jigs for lasers, and you can still use those jigs on your Omni by sticking the jig to your base plate and then putting these into the jig. And yeah, if you haven't tried printing on keychains, the quality is fantastic. I love how it looks, and it's just so cheap, easy, and quick to do. It's really the trifecta of everything that you're looking for in a product for your small business. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you got something out of this video, and not just another project to try, but also some tips and tricks for how to market a product like this to the businesses in your area. When I'm done traveling, I'm doing a lot of traveling over the next couple weeks, and when I'm back from all of that, I'm going to be making some of these for a few local small businesses in my area, bringing them to those businesses to try to pitch them and sell them on getting these. I've tried that in the past with laser engraved keychains, and laser engraved keychains are great if you're trying to put somebody's initials on them, but for a company, being able to see their logo in full color, and I know this isn't a company logo, but it's still full color, is just totally different. And so I'm going to be putting some real estate company logos on this, maybe even a car dealership or two logo on it, and also some small businesses in my local downtown area. I will be throwing their logo on a handful of these since they're so cheap and going around and seeing if they want to place an order. The Omni sits next to my desk in my office, and it's pretty easy for me to just throw a batch on while I'm doing my day job and let them run, pull them off, put a new batch on, and keep going. So that's my personal plan, and I would love to know what your plan is. If you plan on trying to do some keychains like this, or if you have another plan that you want to do for bulk items for your small business, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I really want to thank my YouTube members for supporting the content that I make here on YouTube. They go above and beyond just watching and sharing and subscribing, and they help with a monthly subscription. and that subscription can go to pay for all kinds of different things here at the channel and to help support my family. So huge shout out to my YouTube members. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, and YouTube tells me about 90% of you haven't yet, it's right down there. Totally free to hit. I specifically waited till the end of the video to ask you to subscribe because I wanted to prove the value that I can offer you before I ever asked you to do anything else. If you enjoyed this video as well, hitting that like button really goes a long way to push this video out to more people. The more likes it gets, the more YouTube pushes it. And don't forget, at the end of this month, I'm going to be at Next Level Maker Conference. I'm currently working with Katie Molinax and the Monarch Pine team to set up a time for me to be at their booth that gives you guys a specific place that you know this time on this day you can come by and see me. So keep watching these videos throughout the rest of this month. I'll be making more announcements on that once it's all solidified. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.